now. Hey guys, this one, I've done the stretchy mod on it. Put the stretchy sides on it. Anyway, this one I'm going to be doing the Hennessy do-it-yourself version. So what you want to do first is come down to the end that you have whipped. If you don't have an end whipped, just do what I'm saying in the way that I say it. You get it, make sure the side that is the top is on the bottom this time. So the Hennessy version, you keep the side that you're in up the top. This time you keep the side you're in on the bottom. So you flip it upside down, in other words. What you want to do then is find the middle, just like the last two times. Find the middle. Found the middle. Fold these in to the middle, into the middle, and now this is where you have it different to the Hennessy. Once you've done that, then you start rolling it in. So this is the difference between folds and rolls, in my mind. You start rolling it in about 1 inch, approximately 1 inch, and Head Change says that he rolls it about 5 times. I believe that's what he said. So that's 3, 4, 5, find the middle. I'll do it 6 times. Do it over the other side. So this, you're rolling it on the back side, the reverse side of the hammock. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get the 2, bring them together. And with this technique, I'll show you something different that I do. Firstly, I'm just going to put a rubber band over the very end, just so that it can hold it in place. Maybe I don't have the best angle here. So I get the 2 top ends, the 2 corners, and I overlap them just enough so that you can't see both of them. Overlap it, get the rubber band. Sorry guys, there are heaps of flies out here. Rubber band it, just approximately, just roughly. Then I get my continuous loop, bring it around, bring it through 1 time, see that, through 1 time, go back around, bring it through a 2nd time, that just locks it pretty nicely, slide it up to where I want it to be. Now here's the trick, tighten it enough so that it will hold the whipping, that it will hold the rolls itself. Take off the rubber band, find the hole, not the top side, but the bottom side. And what I like to do, in this case, is feed the continuous loop through that little hole there. Feed it through, put it through like so, pull it tight, make sure I have enough, get the rubber band, put it around. The rubber band does nothing but just holds the end around it so it doesn't look messy. And there you go, you've got that. I'm going to get the ridge line from the other side and I'm going to show you how to put that on. So here's the ridge line. You just lax head it around, put it through here, put the hammock through it, tighten it up, make sure it's on the top. If you're holding the whipping, the whipping here, you want to make sure it's on the top of it because the ridge line is going to be pulling this way. If you put the ridge line underneath it, it could slip. Highly unlikely, but it could slip. So I put it approximately there, tighten it up, and that shouldn't come undone. Pull it both sides, it's nice and tight. Alright, so that is the do-it-yourself Hennessy version. I will string that up really quickly and show you what that looks like. The other end is the same whipping. I just didn't do that today, I did that in the past. So we'll string this up and I'll show you what it's like. Whew.